place on a Friday night. Wind's cutting through that like a bathroom fight. Country road barrel, skies turning black. The folks in Wisconsin know the storm won't hold back, and from Rhinelander down to Everclear, you'll hear that the whole and taste that frozen air. Wisconsin's winter storm's rolling hard, and the wild freezes your breath and shakes like a runaway child. But we stand tall, boots on the ground, when the winter hits. We don't go back down, yeah, we build strong. Born to ride it out in Wisconsin's winter storms. Trucks keep rumbling down the icy lane, headlights glowing like a neon sign. Neighbors help neighbors, that's the way it goes. In a land where the cold cuts straight to your bones. From Green Bay's harbor to the driftless hills, we face that blizzard with iron wheels. Wisconsin's winter storms rolling in hard, and the wild freezes your breath and shakes like a runaway child. But we stand tall, boots on the ground. But we stand tall when the wild hits. We didn't go back down. Yeah, we're built strong, born to ride it out in Wisconsin's winter storms. When the thunder snow cracks across the sky, and the drift climbs up to headlights, we don't run, we clear up and go, 'cause this is our home. And we forged it in snow. Wisconsin's winter storms rolling hard, and wild freezes your breath, shakes like a runaway child. I tell you there, guy, this winter is like brutal this year. Well, that's Wisconsin for you.